everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to quickly go through some of the products that I emptied out in the last 3 months. I do empties videos every 3 months, and this time I don't really have too many. I hardly have less than 10 products, so I'm going to quickly go through them. So the first one I have here is my shower gel. This is Jason and this is in the scent Calming Lavender. It's a body wash that I get from Amazon. It's my all-time favorite. I've been using this for about 2 years now. It's my favorite. It doesn't have any parabens, harsh sulfates, petroleum and phthalates. And the reason I like it a lot is because first of all, the value is amazing. So this big bottle is I think about $8 or $9. I will put the exact link in the description box below for you guys. But also the thing I like is the scent is really very prominent. Even after I step out of the shower, the scent lingers on my body for several hours, and that's why I really like it. It does not make my skin dry, especially in winters. My skin is extremely dry, and this one doesn't really make my skin that dry. So on all levels, I really like this body wash. Although this time I changed my body wash. Just yesterday I ordered a new one. I still have to try it, so if I like it I will definitely let you know. Always for my body wash I prefer to use lavender scent because lavender truly calms me down, especially at night time. I like to use as much lavender scented products as possible. It truly does give me a very relaxing feeling. The next one I have here is Himalaya Herbals Refreshing and Clarifying Toner for all skin types. I got this when I was in India. I had this bottle and I just want to use it up. So as I mentioned earlier, toners don't work for me. I've tried several and I don't really see any significant difference in my skin. With the toner, without a toner, my skin behaves the same. I really don't know what toners are doing for my skin or what they're supposed to do. If you have any knowledge, please let me know in the comments below. With this one as well, I did not see any difference. I like the fact that it did not irritate my skin and it was actually very cooling whenever I applied. So that's the only thing that I noticed. So that's that. And this bottle actually just lasted about 15 days. It was over very quickly for me. The next skincare product I have here is a eye cream. This is by Algenist. The writing is completely gone because this is actually a deluxe size sample. I think I've got it in a Sephora play box long time back, and it surprisingly lasted me for a very long time. This is like a whipped formula. To touch it is actually light, but when you apply it is a thick eye cream. That's what I really like. It used to work for me as my nighttime and also as my daytime eye cream. The makeup goes on very beautifully on this one. It blends easily and it does not leave any thick or oily or greasy residue under my eyes. On to what difference it made under my eyes, I feel like it has worked on my under eye dark circles, but I do notice that it did not work on my fine lines or wrinkles. So this is not really a good anti-aging eye cream. I would say it is more for depuffing and also to take care of under eye dark circles. I won't be repurchasing that one because I found some eye creams that truly work for me by all means. I feel like this is a good one if you are in your early or late 20s, but definitely not if you are in your 30s. The next skincare I have here is a lip balm. This is the Jack Black, is it called? Yes, the Jack Black lip balm, and this is in lemon and shea butter. It has SPF 25. This is an amazing stuff. I apply this at my night time. I don't prefer using this as my daytime lip balm because it's really thick and it just stays on the lips for a very long time. It does not sink into the lips, so that's why I don't really like to use it during the day, but at night time before bed I apply this and it does stay on my lips till the time I wake up in the morning. It's very thick and it truly works. This is an amazing stuff. I would definitely keep repurchasing this one. So the next skincare I have here is my favorite. I'm gonna miss this. This is the Shuara Radiance Vitality Oil, and you can get this off of Amazon. It's pretty expensive for an oil, I would say, but it definitely worked for my skin. I just love this. This brightens, nourishes and firms, and it's for all skin types. And this is paraben free, 100% vegetarian, no animal testing, and it has precious oil concentrate and vitamin C. Yes, the vitamin C truly works for my skin, and that's what it did to me. I use this as my daytime and also as my nighttime oil. So after I finish my skincare, I top off my skincare with oil. I feel like adding a oil on top of all the skincare really seals all the products that you apply. That's just my personal feeling. I'm not sure if it's right or wrong, but I use this as my daytime and also as my nighttime oil. It truly just brightens my skin. It does take a little bit of time to sink into your skin if you don't massage. I personally don't massage my oil, so I just take a little bit of oil, maybe 2 or 3 drops, warm up between my fingers, and I just press it on my skin. I do not rub and make the oil sink into my skin. So I like my oils to be on top of my skin. So if you do that during the day, it does take a while for the oil to blend into your skin, but nighttime I just don't mind. I really like to slather my skincare on my face, and it truly does brightens my skin. It also took care of the texture on my skin, and also the time I used this oil, my skin truly felt nice and firm. I also bring this oil down my neck and till my décolleté area, and this one definitely helped. I do have texture on my neck, and this oil definitely helped me. I will be repurchasing this one for sure. The next one I have here is some makeup, and before that I have this nail polish, and this is by Julep in the shade Ivy. This is one of my favorite color. I mean, the dual chrome in this nail polish is just amazing. Julep makes the best glitter and dual chrome nail polishes out of what I have in my collection. I think I have over 100 bottles of Julep, decluttered a lot of them, but these are one of my favorite nail polish formula. These are 5 free, so these are the polishes that I used when I was pregnant, and this particular shade started smelling a little funky, so that's why I am throwing it away, and I have just 1/4 of the bottle left. I pretty much use this up. Time to part from that. Finally, I have 3 makeup products, and this one is eyeliner. This is a L'Oreal Kajal Magic eyeliner, and I got this from India. You can find it here, but this is a very nice eyeliner. I wouldn't say it's the best I've used because I'm not sure what's lacking in here. Is it the true black color, or is it that it's not very creamy? Not able to choose which one is lacking in this one, but there's a slight disappointment when I use this. It's not like that bam creamy blackest black eyeliner, but it is nice and it worked. It does not budge, and it lasts long on my eyes, so I've used it up. The next one I have here are 2 mascaras. These 2 are my favorite. I've fallen in love with these mascaras. So this one is my oldie. This one is my old favorite. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Hands down the best. It volumizes, it lengthens, it gives like a very nice full lash effect. It does not crumble under my eyes, and it stays long. It's amazing. I love it. And if I go through all the mascaras I have in my collection, I think I'll just keep repurchasing that one. The last product is another mascara. This is a Shise Cosmetics luxury mascara in black, and this was actually sent to me, and I've used it for a very long time. Finally used it up. So this is an amazing mascara. In the last few months, all my eye looks, this is the mascara I have, and it's a very nice black mascara. It truly lengthens, volumizes, holds the curl. It does not bleed or crumble under my eyes, and it's just amazing. The wand is as simple, just a basic curved wand, but I just loved how it used to make my lashes look. This is amazing stuff. So I will leave the link to their website in the description box below. This is a woman owned brand, and their products are, I feel like, are expensive, but whatever I tried from the brand, they're really good. And finally, I used up a whole bunch of Mrrebates products in the last 3 months. These are the skincare products that I have been using. I'll talk about all those products briefly in another video because I have more than 15 products. It's going to take time, so that is for another video. So those are all the products that I used up in the last 3 months. Do let me know in the comments below what is your favorite skincare or makeup product currently. And if this is the first time you're watching my video, do subscribe to my channel, hit on the thumbs up button, and also you can follow me on my Instagram, that's deepikamakeup, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.